Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious beef stew, tender meat, thick soup, and very simple. This one you can eat with ugali, chapati, or rice, and then you're not using too much ingredients, just the ingredients that you have at home. So welcome. For the ingredients, I'm using tomatoes, coriander, garlic, uh, onions, bell pepper, and the beef, of course. So first step, guys, you start by boiling your meat. I don't usually wash my meat, so I just add salt and a few pieces, like 3 pieces of garlic, and then I just cover it and boil the meat. Step 2, as the meat is boiling, prepare your ingredients. Chop your onions, garlic, your tomatoes, bell peppers, coriander, and just set them aside just to be ready. And keep checking on your meat. Make sure it's boiled until it's soft and tender. And if there is excess water, let it dry, or you can set it aside to use for the soup. Once the meat is ready, it's soft, you have confirmed it's soft. If there's excess water, as I've said, set it aside, or if there's not that much, you can just let it dry, and then you remember to remove the garlic pieces that you had boiled the meat with. And then in the same pot or sufuria, you start frying your meat. So you start frying. Some people like fry first the meat and then add onions, but for me I usually add the onions first and then the cooking oil, so that they can fry together and get that golden color together. Both the onions and the meat together at the same time, they get that golden color, and I love it so much. So after like few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, you add in your garlic, and then you let it fry till golden brown together with the onions and the meat also. And also, if you have ginger, this is where you add your ginger, and then you let it fry till golden brown. So after frying for about 10 minutes and you feel like everything is okay and everything is golden brown, you add in your tomatoes and bell pepper, and then you can add in your spices. For me, I was using soy sauce. You add just a little bit. I also added paprika. I also used beef masala and then salt. And these spices are optional. You don't have to use them if you don't have. Totally optional, and it's okay to not use spices. So, and then you mix everything, and then you let it cook or simmer for like 5 minutes on a low or medium heat, and then you can add in a little water. This is optional. At this point it's ready. You can just sprinkle your coriander on top of it, but you can add a little water if needed, and then you let it cook for like 5 to 10 minutes on a low heat until the soup is thick and you can see the flavors, the tomato flavors on the soup. And then you sprinkle your coriander on top of it, and your meat is ready. Very sweet, very simple, very delicious. You can serve it with chapati, ugali, and rice. For me, I was serving it with ugali with some sukuma wiki. This meal is very sweet, very simple to make, very delicious. I loved it. I will be making this more and more, Let me know, have you guys enjoyed the video? Do you think it's a simple meal? I think it's a simple meal. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content. Like this video, share with your friends and families, and comment down below what do you think about this video. And will you eat or pass? I think you will eat. Look at that. Just look at that. Bye bye. Till next time. Subscribe.